morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start trading. Today is Monday, new trading week. Hopefully everybody ready to make some money. Let's have a look just very quick, the economic calendar. Today is Monday. Basically, you can find we have had one high impact news from Europe. Tuesday, we have some news from USA, UK, Europe, and Australia in early morning. Wednesday, we have some news from UK, Europe, USD, Canada. And Thursday, we have again from Australia, early morning, Europe, and USA. And Friday, we have from AUD again, Japan, and UK, and Europe, and Canada. So yeah, basically this week, if you have any running trades on Euro, AUD, USD, GBP, Canadian dollar, keep your eyes definitely on the economic calendar. Let's see the chart. Where would you like to start?
In gold, please.
All right, let's see gold. So, what we can find gold. I keep my marks up yesterday on my chart. From high to low, we can find here is the 61.80, here is the 78.60, and here is the minus 27. It's 1.8. $78.60. So this is the Fibo levels, what's really important at the moment. So basically I'm expecting push to the upside and after drop to the downside. If I use this Fibo from low to high, we can find the price respecting the 78.60. So the final move is the minus 27. So this is the H4 minus 27. And also you can see it matches with the last Fibo minus 27 as well. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, we can find basically the price open this level, and it's making a drop to the downside. The price came back to the 78.60. Also, it was the minus 68. We started pushing to the upside. The price looks like rejected to the previous high and came back one more time to the trend line. If I put the Fibo from low to high, basically we can find the price respected 61.80. So the final move is the minus 27. What is this green potato? See what is possible. I don't know, what would you like to show me?
Small penis.
Also. Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting still upside move. The next important level is this one. So the 1,900 level. Also, you can see it's from number. If the price pushing to the upside, I'm waiting first to stop the 1,900, and after it's possible, retreat the the last low to high flow minus 27, and after we can expect some pullback to the downside. We just need to wait for the counter trend line break basically. This is the first scenario. The second one, what also possible, if I put the Fibo from low to high, you can find the price sitting at the 61.80. So if the price not broke this level, it's still possible coming back one more time to the trend line, and after it's continue to the upside. So at the moment I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting for the counter trend line break or the pullback, and after I'm looking to take a long. The first take profit level will be the 1,900 level. Second one is the 1,904, and after you will see what's going on. Possible some bigger pullback one more time to the trend line, and after the continuation to the weekly 61.80 or weekly 78.60.
Vince, can you go to 15 minutes?
Yes, sure. Just a second.
That upper trend line you have there, for me, it's already broken. The one on the upside.
This one?
Yeah, that one. If you adjust it a little bit. No, the other one. Also that, but the one in the top. Let me try to draw. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah,
for me, it's already broken, so I'm waiting for the retest.
Okay, you can use this trend line also. But basically, you need to wait on the 1 hour, the first red candle. And possible 78.60. What matches with the trend line, counter trend line. And
yeah, that's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah, it's also looking good. And maybe we can use the Fib trick. Yes, you can see it's 161.80.
Yeah, everything correlates, so I'm waiting for it. Yeah.
All right. Let's see this move also possible. Okay, so that's all on gold. US 30. So, my expectation was yesterday that the 78.60 level is broken. The final move is the 127, and also this level is really close to the 78.60. So I'm still waiting a little bit push to the upside on US 30, and after I think possible some bigger pullback again to the downside. I keep this daily minus 27, the bigger time frame minus 27. So the 78.60. The 1 hour it's very bullish, so I'm continue to the 15 minutes, and if I can choose some really nice trend line, it will be good. To try to find that. Yeah, you can see this minus 27 also matches with the daily minus 27, so you can find the price came back to the 78.60. You know exactly the final move, minus 27. Time waiting, break, retest. I'm looking to take a short after once the trend line is broken and the price creates the head and shoulder. First target, I think we can use the previous low, so the 29,700, and after this level is broken, we can expect the price coming down to the minus 27 and sorry, 127 or to the 161.80. Have you any question from US 30? So basically I'm waiting one more push to the upside of the trend line break, retest, and then shoulder, and I'm planning to take short position.
Yes. Most of the time you find on US 30 good opportunities on US session or London session?
You know, it depends from the market. You know, you can see basically the market it's open in Asian, and the market was mad. So impossible to answer to your question. I share one thing: I'm not trading in Asian sessions. So I'm start to trade between 9 p.m. 9 EM UK until 7 p.m. UK.
So you don't have any like where you found most of the trades? You didn't have any like target or?
No, I don't have statistics. So, you know,
Okay.
I just every morning I'm just start to analyze the market. Once I wake up, I eat my breakfast, I take a shower. I just looking really quick the chart. Maximum I spend 20 minutes in front of the screen. I'm just set the trading view alerts. Basically on US 30, I'm use between 30-50 pips below or above to the entry level. So once the price reaches that level, I know exactly what I'm expecting. I just have got the notification on my phone and I'm start to looking the chart. But you know, it depends. Sometimes it's happening in London session. Sometimes it's happened after New York session opened.
Thank you.
But you know, it's good because I don't need to spend so much time in front of the screen. I know what is the analysis. I know what I'm expecting, and when everything is matches, I'm just take the trade. And after, of course, I think, you know, if you have running trade, of course, you're checking your phone quite often because you want to see how is it moving. Okay, so that's all on US 30. GJ. So yes, we know price last week make the move what we are expected. So we wait for the right shoulder. Actually the price pushed a little bit higher than the left one. I think before this trend line it's not broken, still possible continue to the upside, basically to the weekly 7860, where is the bigger time frame trend line. Now if I check the daily Fibo, you can find the price. Actually it's still a little bit far from the 61.80, but this level you can use the Fibo trick from high to low and you can find the price came back to the 127. Also here is the trend line, and also if you look left you can find here support and resistance level. So I'm still expecting GJ pushing to the upside. Let's see what is the Fibo level from low to high. Basically you can find it's pushed a little bit lower than the 7860, but it's still possible close above. So if it's close above to the 7860, I will try to find an entry level and I will take a long, and first target will be the -27, second one will be the -68, and after we will see how is the price moving to the upside. So this is what I think from GBP, GPY, upside move at the moment. I'm just waiting for the perfect entry level. Have you any question from GJ? Okay, let's see GBP/AUD. So GBP/AUD, you know, I'm still waiting for this entry level. I think now almost 2 or 3 weeks. And yesterday I told you in the 4-hour or actually on the daily. So it looks like it's created the bearish W. Also looks like head and shoulder, and the price came back to the 61.80. Final move is the -27, what matches with the low to high 78.60. Also, if I use the Fibonacci trick from low to high, it's 127. And also, if I put the Fibonacci from low to high, it's 161.80. So on this level, shitloads of confirmation. Looks like left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. And also, if I'm continuing to the 4-hour, looks like price moving in channel. So this is end of the channel, and this is what I'm waiting. I'm not looking to take a short. We have a nice opportunity for here today, but I want to take a nice swing trade, so this is why I'm not taking a short. And basically, if we check the weekly, you can find the price respective this trend line. The last couple of months, it's dropped huge to the downside, and I'm waiting for the weekly -27 level, what is 1.88. So before this move happened, I'm waiting. The price came back to the 1.78 200 level, and after I'm planning to take a long position. Otherwise, I'm just follow the short, the bearish move, and basically that's all. I have loads of confirmation at this level, and I will follow the move once it's come to close to this level. And if I have enough confirmation for the trade, I will take it, and it will be a huge swing trade. Have you had a question? Let's see your so the bigger picture, you can find the price came back to the 61.80. So we know exactly it's still bullish. In the 4-hour, we can find the price create the big bullish M. Price came back to the 78.60. Also, it was the 127. Also from high to the -27. And if I use this leg, also another -27. So we had lots of confirmation at this level. You can find support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance. So it's also really, really strong level. And after, you can see the price start pushing to the upside. The 4-hour first, we can target the previous high to the -27 and the -68. So see the 1-hour. So basically on the 4-hour, we can find here is the last low, here is the last high, and you can find here is the 61.80 and here is the 78.60 level. if we're expecting some push to the downside on gold, also we can expect some push on Euro USD. Basically, let's have a look which one is better. So I think the 7860 is still a bit better for me. You can find here strong support and resistance level, and also the problem I can't put the figure at the moment from high to low, but because the last red candle is not closed yet. But if I put the figure from here to here, you can find also the 161.8. It's very close to the trend line, and for the support resistance level and to the 7860 level as well. So I'm waiting a little bit bigger pullback on Euro USD around this level, and after I'm looking to take a long